Good afternoon, Mrs. Short here. Hope you had a good lunch. By this time that you're watching the video, you should have done your exit slips. You had about 10 minutes to attempt. It's okay if you didn't know how to do them, but now we're going to check them. So make sure you have your checking pen ready, or grading pen, whatever you want to call it. They're on my desk. When you put them back, put them upside down, please. All right. So, name and date at the top. Remember, no tutoring after school today because I'm not there. Sorry, it's hard to write one-handed. Okay, so let's look at the first one. How many equal pieces are in the number line? So you have, it always starts with 0, just like a regular number line. And it always goes to 1, which is a whole number. This is the whole split up into pieces, equal pieces. Okay, so don't count the tick marks or the lines, because if you do, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's not what we're counting, because we're counting the space in between. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're equal, and they are designated by those tick marks. So I hope you have 4. All right, now that we know that, McKinley, how many equal pieces are in this number line? Remember, we're not counting that. We're counting the space. We're not counting the marks or tick marks or lines, whatever you want to call them. We're counting the space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the fraction located at point B? Fraction. So starts with 0, right? And it goes to 1 first. We have to determine how many pieces there are before we can even solve. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pieces total, so that is our denominator. And then let's count where B is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's at the fifth whole, it's at the 5th piece. What is the fraction located at point A? So Corbin, since we just figured out how to do that, how would you do this one? First, we count how many pieces it is put into, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope you said 6. And then we count to see which one A is at. So it's at the first one, the first piece. Macy, what is the fraction located at point C? What do we do first? Hope you said we count the number of pieces. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 pieces, and C is at the second piece. In the video we watch, you're going to learn how to draw these number lines, because it can be challenging. partition the number line into 4 pieces. All right, so if this from 0 to 1 is the whole piece, and we cut it in half, now how many pieces? 1, 2, but we need 4. So we can cut this piece in half, and that gives us 2. And we can cut this piece in half, that gives us 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Partition the number line into 8. A little more challenging, but at least it's an even number. When it's an even number, it's way easier. So find the middle. Now we have 2 pieces. Correct. Find the middle of this piece. Now we have 2 pieces on that side. Do the other side. So now we have 2 pieces on this side and that side to equal 4. Now what could we do with these 4 pieces to get 8? Oh, we just split them into 2 more. Each one gets split in half. Now we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Partition the number line into 3 equal pieces. That's where it gets challenging. So find the middle. It's about right there. And then just slightly scoot and do a tick mark. Find the middle, then scoot. Ooh, that's not very good. They should be wider. But 2 tick marks when you're doing 3 pieces that you have to draw. Hopefully yours looks better than mine. Which letter shows 5/6? Well, they give you 3/6 there. They didn't have to do that. But double check, make sure they're right about the pieces. 6 being the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is correct. If this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Go ahead and label all your fractions. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. So C it is. And this one would be 6, 6. Remember I said fractions are just another way of dividing. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Says which letter shows 3/8? Well, let's make sure it is in 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's label them. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. Oops, my brain skipped. It was already moved on to 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. I can't write it because I'm one-handed. So which one shows 3/8? Letter A. Alright, so in the next video, I'll be doing the notebook. So make sure you have that out. Put your checking pins back, upside down please, on my desk, where they go. And see you soon. Bye.